If you want to deactivate your Facebook account in mobile due to any reason, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process also. This will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Hascry and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Then tap on these three lines. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Tap here on Account Center. Then tap on Profiles. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on this second option, Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on it. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, but still you'll be able to continue using Messenger. Once understood, tap on Continue. Enter your Facebook account password and press on Continue, and your account will be deactivated. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.